Hi everybody, I would like to invite you to a webinar that is going to be designed especially for you, and the title is Restoring Well-Being During Challenging Times on Board. And the key word here is well-being. What does it mean? Simply being happy, feeling good, feeling joyful, being well. Now, what is the problem with us human beings? The problem is that we put conditions on our well-being. We say, when this happens, then I'll be happy. So when I change my boss, then I'll be happy. When I go and see my family, then I'll be happy. When my kids grow up and go to university, then I'll be happy. When I get rid of my mother-in-law, then I'll be happy. And in the end, we're never happy. Because every time another challenge comes and then another challenge comes, and we find excuses for keeping well-being away from us. So in this webinar, we are going to learn 3 things. Number 1, that well-being happens within. So we're going to learn how to create well-being, the feeling of happiness and joy, despite adversities, despite the challenges and all the problems that you have in your life, because this is the secret to health and success. Number 2, we're going to learn the negative effects of not being in that well-being mode, but rather in the opposite, in the stress mode, the anxiety mode, the worry mode that most of us are most of the time. And the third thing we're going to learn is that we can actually create our own reality. We have the power and the strength to change what happens in our lives simply by changing what we're thinking and what we're feeling. My name is Christina. I look forward to having you in this webinar on the 10th of July, time to be announced. Bye.